So hello guys, welcome back in my new video, and today's video I will show you how to set up VMware in your Kali machine. Okay, so basically we are setting up VMware in Kali Linux. So first you need to go in your browser, which is Firefox, and just search here VMware download. Okay, so after searching you will just hit enter, and then you will see a page like Fusion or VMware Workstation Pro download. Just hit in that particular page. Okay, there you will see like text spot. Okay, so you just need to go in text spot. You don't need to go in broadcom or any other VMware website. Just go in text spot, and then you need to select the workstation, which is Linux here, as it's Kali Linux. So we will select workstation as Linux. Okay, and then here you need to go and choose like here you need to click. Okay, click here, and then it will be started downloading. Okay, so as the software developer, system administrator, software development, testing, development, latest version, click here and it will be started downloading, as it is downloaded already. In my case I have downloaded it. You need to just follow the instructions as I have shown and download it. After that you need to go in your downloads folder and do ls list. Okay, and then you will see there is a file dot bundle. Okay, VMware and the full name, and it will be dot bundle. Just execute it, make it executable file with chmod plus x. Okay, command, and then you will run this. Then it will be installed. Okay, this bundle will be installed. So for installing it you need to run sudo /VMware workstation, the full name of that bundle. Okay, with its extension dot bundle, and then you need to see it's started here extracting VMware installer, and it will extract and it will download the whole packages and all of VMware, and it will be downloaded in your Linux system. Okay, so you need to wait accordingly as per your system, as I'm showing the full steps, as it has taken here 4%, then 13, and then 18 and 85 is configuring, installing VMware network editor, user interface. Don't shut down or move on to any other process during this particular process. Okay, it's happening. Okay, so just stay here. If it can take time as per your system. Okay, depending on your system it can take the configuring time and the setup time. Okay, so installation was successful. After it is being successful, you can just type here VMware, and you can see it is in blue, then it is installed. Okay, so this shows that VMware has been successfully installed. Okay, so if we just write VMware, and it will show there, and then it will be if we hit enter, then VMware will be opened. Okay, and there you need to do the setup. I accept the terms and all. Would you like to check the product updates? And then here you can see VMware Workstation Pro is there. If you want to search VMware, then you can see if we write work space, then VMware Workstation is showing in our search menu also. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.